Let's go.
This is Jathan, the tour guide.
This is a sea otter.
Trucks.
Let's move along over here.
This is the American bison. Weird.
It's gonna eat you.
Sea cows. Yeah, but they're more like seals. These are land seals or seals.
You mean sea lions?
Yeah.
Look at that thing. Oh, damn.
You're on an adventure searching for what? You don't know.
At an adventure. What is this? This is where I sit
And
when I
sleep
make stones.
and be on your knees.
This is where I store my corn.
Your what?
I store my corn.
Oh, I thought you said something else.
My corn. No, not my corn. My corn. Wait, let's move on.
Sounded like it.